Hi, today I'm going to make a review of the Journal of Possible Things and sock screwdriver. I will do the sock screwdriver first because that's quicker. Not much to it. As you see, it's smaller, extremely smaller than, well, wait 1 minute. It's just much smaller than this one because this is just the one that comes with the book. As you see in size comparison, they're about the same height. So, to press the button, you just press that. You get a nice LED light. That's the brightest light I've ever seen. Let me just turn off the lights. Look at that. In the dark. Okay. So, to do the batteries, you kind of pull this off, and as you see, it comes slanting. And if you were to unscrew right there, this piece would come off, which has the batteries underneath it. And to place it back on, you just, well, you pop this in like that, and just in. Oh, and also this little piece in the center lights up, which I think is a great touch. Bright light, everything, awesome. I'd say it's better than this. And by the way, you know how I did the review where I said it's better? This is officially broken. Need to get a new one. Look, I just touch it, pops up, it's broken. Okay, now for the Journal of Impossible Things. To take it off, well, it starts back here. You pull this piece and turn it. There. It's open. Well, almost there. And there. And you've got this little thing right here. Character options. Of course, it's made in China. And you get these really nice pictures in here. All the faces of him. And this and Father's Day. No, yeah. And the TARDIS and the Dalek. And the TARDIS. And you get nice blank pages. Oh, Shakespeare. The Ood. Rose in the TV from Eighth Lantern. In the episode Rose, the Ferris wheel. The sticker rocks, the Santas, I hate the Santas. The android, the Dalek Emperor, Little Dalek, what was it called, the Slitheen, the blank page, and also, there's like, oh yeah, there's her, and the Slitheen. If you look really carefully, there is great detail on here. That's just the paint from the printing. It actually shows like it's been used. Oh, that looks like the silence or something. Oh, foreshadowing, I see. Okay, let's read this. I don't know what that is. I think it's from the Satan pit or something, actually. So that's all the stuff. This is leather. Actually, I think it's fake leather because it's like fabric. No, it's real leather. The papers are very smooth inside. I mean, and it's just really nice to have all these pictures in here, including information and everything. Oh, there's the part with where Donna, no, that can't happen yet. Oh, there's the interpreted schism right there. And, oh, okay. Put it back on. flip it, and put it through this little hole. Oh, wait a minute. How does this go? Oh, there it is. And eventually, if you're smarter than me, you'll get that faster. And it tucks into here, which I can't do with one hand. I need to buy a tripod or something. And there we go. This is a very good set. It was like $19. So, yeah. Let me go get the packaging. And given to us as usual, we have this kind of half a hexagon, no, an octagon design with little instructions, which are of course vague. The vague instructions, joy. These are useless. Well, actually not that useless. No, not that useless. These ones. 1 minute, okay. There's the doctor, includes sock screwdriver, blue LED, and black ink pen. Doctor Who, the Journal of Impossible Things, character online. The journal itself includes 78 printed pages, leather style cover. And the back, on the side, it says Journal of Impossible Things again. Ages 5 and up. Nice cover there. The same stuff, just a bunch of things you don't need to know. Of course, by BBC, typical. This is a great set, actually. You should get this.